Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Murgi Kasuti, Peacock design, part of the Karnataka Kasuti. I am using this thread, multicolor thread of anchor. Start from its beak. One, back, one, first do outline. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cross line, 6 straight, and then cross 7, this one 8 cross, here 2 crosses, and then 1 straight. Ten cross, 11 straight, 12 cross, 13 straight, 14 upper side straight, 15 inside straight, 16 upper side straight, 17 right side straight, 18 downside cross, right cross, then down straight, left side down cross, left side straight, upper side left cross, upper side left cross, upper side straight, right side up cross, upper side right cross, straight, downside cross, right side, downside cross, right side straight, upper side straight, left straight, and upside straight. This is outline of the peacock. And back straight, right straight, downside straight, left straight, up cross, left, left up cross, left straight, left downside cross. You do here one square, 1, 2, 3, 4. And back, 3, 2, here one cross line, upside, down, and then down straight, square, complete. Downside cross, left, left downside cross, left straight, and left straight, and back, upside straight, left side straight. Right side straight, back, downside straight, right side straight, downside straight, left side straight, left straight, right straight, down straight, and left straight. Come back. Straight, right side, upper side straight, and right side straight. Right side cross, right down cross. Here do one square, 1, 2, 3, 4, and come back.